So the first thing we're going to do is to cut the zip ties to isolate the wires for the UV port. It is much easier to do this process if you remove the control box to work off of a table. This will help us to identify and isolate the UV relay, which is the second from the right inside of the control box. It may be different on yours. Next, you will remove the two white wires from the top of the relay to make it easier to pull out. To remove the relay, we are going to push it up while pulling on the top side of it so that it unclips from the rail that is holding it. With the relay removed from the rail, now we will have better access to detach the wires from the bottom terminals. The connectors on the terminals can be very tight, so I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pry them off. A pair of needle nose pliers will work as well. Now we are going to take our new solid state relay and we are going to install it on the DIN rail. Make sure that the writing is facing upside down so that the trigger wires will be at the top. With the relay locked in place on the rail, we are now going to connect the white wires. Now we will connect the high voltage wires on the bottom of the new relay to the red and white wires that we pulled off of the old one. The black wires that were pulled off of the relay get connected together with the short supplied jumper. And finally, we are going to zip tie all of the loose wires back onto the harness. This concludes the tutorial, but you will still need to test out the control box and the UV relay to ensure that it is working correctly.